Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Facebook Reels option if it's not showing. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, sometimes the Reels shortcut disappears from the main news feed, but remains accessible through alternative menus. So, for example, you don't have the Reel right here. There's a fix for that. Okay. All you got to do is just go ahead over to the three horizontal lines right here at the top left. Now go ahead over to settings and privacy and tap on settings and then scroll down, find the tab bar under preferences. Just tap on it and tap on customize the bar and make sure that Reels is pinned. If it's right here, tap on it and then pin it. Your problem is fixed. Now the other option, maybe you can't see Reels right here at the top right. When you have the plus sign, tapped on it and Reel isn't available. Also, when you go ahead over to your profile, okay, right here, and when you go ahead and scroll down, under all photos and Reels especially, it doesn't pop up. So how do we fix that? Or how do we fix those issues? So force close the app right here. Go ahead and tap on the app icon, or tap and hold rather, and tap on the information icon, especially if you're using Android. Now tap on storage. Now, to go through this exact page, when using iOS, just go ahead over to settings, then general, and then after that, iPhone storage. And then once done, just tap on Facebook. Then there'll be a big offload data or offload app option. Just tap on it and wait for the process to finish. On Android, tap on clear cache first. The cache will be cleared. After that, tap on clear data, and the numbers right here will change. Once done, follow along for iOS users. Find the Play Store or App Store. Use the search bar, type down Facebook. Make sure that this one is up to date. So if there's an update button, update it. And once done, open it up and you should now be good to go. That's how simple it is to fix a Facebook Reels option if it's not showing. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.